This is going to be our last day working with just the laws of exponents, and that's not even close to the right date. But starting tomorrow, we're going to review for the test, and that's going to mix together everything, including the exponential functions. Go ahead and give that one a try. All right, who thinks they can give me the correct answer? Yusel? So when we put that 3 through everything, we got 5 to the third power, a to the 12th power, b to the negative 9th power. Anything with positives stays where they're at. Anything with negatives, we flip. So 5 to the third power is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. A to the 12th, that's positive, so it stays up there. B to the negative 9 means we flip it, and it becomes b to the 9th on the bottom. Any questions on that one? Those ones we've been doing real well with, so that's pretty good. A little trickier, or more so just a little bit more to it. Everything I got.
8x to the third power over 4, y to the fourth power, and z to the sixth power?
Not quite. We gotta simplify our coefficients.
2x to the third power over y to the fourth e to the sixth.
All right, so if I'm doing this, I'm going to do everything inside the parentheses before I worry about that negative 1 exponent. So 4 over 8, that's going to simplify to 1/2. X to the second over x to the fifth, that's going to leave us with x to the third on the bottom. Y to the negative 7 and y to the negative 3, we got to flip those. So when we flip those, it'd be y to the 7th on top, y to the 3rd on the bottom. So that's going to leave me with the y to the 4th on the top. And then we got z to the 9th over z to the 3rd, so that's going to make z to the 6th. And then all that's going to be the negative 1 power. Everybody good with that part? Then when you have to the negative 1, all you got to do is flip everything. So if the exponent's negative 1, that's all it's doing is it's flipping the whole thing. You could go ahead and distribute -1, and then they'd all have a negative exponent, and that would be flip it, but, you know, it's easiest probably just to flip the whole thing. You don't need this. Any questions on that? Answer choices generally will make it pretty clear, but whenever we got coefficients on there, or actual numbers on there that aren't the exponents, we need to make sure to simplify if possible. Like I said, these have to be kind of multiple choice. So. Find the area of that rectangle. Who thinks they got it? All right, so all we're doing is multiplying. So when we multiply, we follow our multiplication rules for the whole numbers. 5 times -2, that's just -10. When we multiply with our exponents, we add the exponents. So x, and then 6 plus 5 is 11. Y, 8 plus 3, also 11. Z, you got to remember there's a 1 right there when there is no number. So we got 2 plus 1. That's going to make z to the 3rd power. That's it. As long as you remember and then add your exponents instead of multiplying them. Shouldn't be too bad on those.